Meet Lenny D. Loser. We're going to get to know him well. Here, he's working for another construction company, but not for long.
Lenny, I'm a bit worried about this electrical work that you're doing. You are qualified, aren't you?
Technically, no. Don't worry, she'll be right.
Needless to say, Lenny is now looking for a new job. At PBS Building, we pride ourselves not only on the excellence of our work, but in keeping our employees, contractors, and members of the public safe from harm. To do that, we need your help. Simply put, we all need to be responsible for safety and environmentally friendly work practices. Otherwise, everybody loses.
This is the new guy.
Hey!
We thought we'd give Lenny a chance. The last company he worked for had poor safety practices, and Lenny just doesn't know any better. We're going to show him what's expected on a PBS building site.
Get off my car and follow me. Come on, let's go.
All workers must complete PBS inductions before entering the workplace and commencing any tasks.
Lenny, take that and have a read of it.
First and foremost, workers need to familiarise themselves with the PBS site information. This will detail everything you need to know about the specific site you're working on. Any questions that arise or any additional information that is required can be addressed by a PBS supervisor or a PBS site EHS representative. This information is available in a number of ways. You can get them as paper copies or via QR scan code if you have a smartphone. All of this information is also displayed on the PBS site notice board. The PBS site notice board is the primary means of communicating site EHS, environmental, health and safety processes.
Who's going to read all this? It's just paperwork. What's it got to do with me?
Not a good start, Lenny. We know it's a lot to get through, but this information is crucial for a safe working environment. We all need to understand and apply rules and procedures for everyone's sake, otherwise bad things happen. The PBS site information and PBS site notice board are your go-to guides for what to do and what not to do on your work site. For example, on a PBS project, it's required that you wear a hard hat, high visibility clothing, and safety footwear at all times. It is important you use suitable and nominated PPE for the nature of the work and any identified hazard associated with the work you are completing.
It's a bit overkill, isn't it? Who can help me here?
Your PBS site information and PBS site notice board also detail other essential information, such as a layout of the site, location of toilets, first aid and emergency meeting points, as well as working practices and procedures. PBS Building is committed to consultation with site workers. Everyone should be involved, specifically in the election of a WHS, Work Health and Safety Representative, who will be part of the site EHS, Environmental Health and Safety Committee when applicable.
What a waste of time. We all know what to do. You just jump in and do your work.
Oh, Bree! Are you okay?
I've fallen down a hole. I need to talk to the safety rep.
You really could have prevented that, Lenny. The info is all there, and it's there for a reason, to help you make the right choices on site. This just might save your life, especially in an emergency. If a site evacuation is required, 3 loud blasts of the emergency warning siren will sound, or, depending on the project, 1 long continuous blast.
Yeah, probably just a drill. What?
Lenny! Lenny, come on! Come on, Lenny! Look above you! Come on!
When you hear 3 blasts of the warning siren, you should move to the emergency meeting point immediately and await further instructions. It helps to know where that meeting point is well in advance.
I know this isn't exactly the right way to do this, but it's going to be a lot quicker.
Do you know what this is, Lenny?
Work method statement, boss?
It is important that you understand and work within the requirements you were first consulted and trained in regarding your work method statements and site induction.
I would have, it would have been quicker if it...
You're on scaffolding now. And clean this mess up.
Okay, boss. I'll get right on it. After some lunch, of course. Oh well, not my department. Someone else will sort that out.
It's common sense, but if you see a dangerous activity or unsafe area, you should immediately fix the problem yourself or inform a supervisor who can fix it.
Hey boss, I don't know if you're aware, but there's a massive hole over there. Okay, go over there, Lenny, secure that, make sure that no one gets near that area. I'll get onto a team. Right. Ronnie to PBS Labour, head towards the deep excavation on south side now. I got some rubbish up there. I need some scaffolding adjusted. Thanks, Lonnie. I'll send someone straight away.
Hey, is that Lenny over there?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Digging a trench?
Digging a trench? Why is he digging a trench?
I don't know.
No one checked any plans, I guess. Had a look. He's on fire, isn't he? Good.
There's no one here but me. I mean, what could possibly happen?
Hey Lenny, I want to talk to you. Boss! Boss! Told you once before, clean this mess up, please.
It is a responsibility of all workers to ensure that their work area remains clean and tidy. A clean site is a safer site. It's unfortunate, but failure to follow the safety rules and procedures can lead to harsh consequences.
Fired? Really?
But not just for the individual. We all need to take responsibility for safety and environmentally friendly work practices. Otherwise, everybody loses. You lose. Your workmates lose. Your team loses.
Oh, Lenny! Not again!
Your family loses. Your company loses.
Maybe.
Everybody loses. PBS Building is committed to safe and environmentally friendly working conditions and practices for everyone's sake. But we can't do it alone. You are an integral part of that plan. If you want to be a part of our team, then just ask yourself one question. Do I really want to be Lenny D. Loser?
You'll be right. Hi, my name's Nick Torello. I played Lenny on the video you just watched. We tried to make it fun for you, but there is one serious issue, aside from the hazards of a work site, that we'd quickly like to talk about. Stress is a danger too. It can even kill. Things like relationship problems, drinking too much, or even just feeling unhappy can all add to the stress and take our minds off the job. If something's troubling you, OzHelp is here to listen, offer advice, and provide real assistance. For more information, go to ozhelp.org.au or call 1300
AusHelp. That's 1300 694 357. Thanks. Be safe.